Alright, so we're checking out the DYU C3. This is a folding electric bike. It does fold down here. The handlebar just to sort of lower the height, and you can also lower the seat height in this one, but it does not fold down in the middle. I think this is DYU's one of their most inexpensive models. It comes in at $329. So if you're looking for a budget e-bike, not a lot of frills, but very low cost and affordable, then this is one you want to check out. It is very small. It only has 14-inch tires there. Very modest specs. Only a 350 watt motor. It's 36 volts, and you have a small battery inside the frame here. It's 7.5 amp hours. You can pedal it and get up to 21 miles with pedal assist. And on throttle only, it's going to give you about 15.5 miles. Of course, range will vary. It depends on how hilly your terrain is and how fast you're going, etc. There's no gears in this one. It's a single gear system, so for the chain is only one gear. You get front and rear disc brakes on this one, but they are mechanical disc brakes. In the rear here you have a rack. It's pre-installed from the factory. Max rating of 25 kilograms. I believe the whole weight rating of the whole bike is like 265 pounds. You have a small kickstand here in the back. Got plastic fenders here on the front and the rear. Got a small headlight here in the front, pretty standard. Also get a rear brake light here, but no turn signals. Taking a look at the handlebar, you got your basic grips here. Got your power button to turn the bike on, and there's no computer on here, just a little display showing how much battery level you have here. There's like 4 little green lights. Got a bell, reflector, you got your brake levers, and then this is your full twist throttle here. So the bike does come pretty much fully assembled from the factory. All I had to do is put on the pedals, which by the way don't fold down, and the rear brake light need to be attached. The seat had to be put in place as well. And as you can see, you can adjust the seat height of this lever. And that's pretty much it in terms of the build. The bike weighs about 47 pounds, so should be pretty transportable. Now there's no pedal assist levels in this one. I think it has a single speed up to 15.5 miles per hour. So we're not going to do a speed test here. We're just going to do a ride test, and I'll give you my thoughts as I'm riding around. Alright, so we'll just start off by pedaling. And I don't really feel a lot of motor assistance when pedaling. Almost very, very little. But you can get up to a pretty decent speed here. Not 100% sure what the speed is, but I'm thinking probably close to 10 or 11 miles an hour, 12 miles an hour. Definitely could be faster. Yeah, I don't really feel that much motor assistance. That's probably how you get more range on the small battery, is the motor isn't really doing much. You're doing most of the work. All right, so let's just hit the throttle now. Yeah, now I definitely can feel like I'm going faster. Of course, we're only going to be hitting that maximum 15.5 miles per hour. And yeah, sounds about right. Feels about 15 miles an hour here, slightly faster than when pedaling. And I can see the battery gauge has dropped off 1 bar. It's a little bit of voltage sag. It's pretty normal. Don't feel power drop off. Now this bike, being a budget bike at this low cost, doesn't come with any shocks. So you're gonna wanna stick to some smooth streets like I'm riding on here. This is not really meant for off-roading. This is kind of a commuter bike, and get you around in like an urban environment, for example. Get you around from A to B at low cost and not too fast. And for those of you that are not looking for a super fast e-bike, well, this one qualifies. This is not going to be breaking any speed records, and you definitely aren't going to be in violation of any regulations anywhere. But you know, on these smooth surfaces, the ride's pretty comfortable. I don't have the tires fully inflated, so I'm getting a little bit of shock absorption from the little bumps here and there from the tires. The seat also has some springs as well, so I'm getting a little bit of cushioning from the seat. The seat's pretty basic, nothing really to write home about. It's comfortable, and you know, obviously you're not going to be riding this for like super extended periods of time. So, you know, at this price point, if you really want a more comfortable seat, you can always buy a third-party seat for an additional $30 to $50. But you know, I'm not sure how much you want to invest in that. You know, if your budget is in that $300 dollar range that this bike is currently at. So I think the regular price is $329. I didn't see any coupons or discounts at the moment, but I have seen some of these DYU bikes at a lower price point with discounts. You know, they occasionally do come out, so check the link in the description if you guys want to check it out. There might be a coupon code down there. You might be able to get this and snag it for under $300, which would be a pretty good deal for the specs and what you get for this. It's a pretty basic bike, not too fast. It'll get you around, but you know, you're not going to be breaking any speed records or anything like that, or turning any heads. It just does the job to get you from point A to point B. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Talk to you guys in the next one.